What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another car video. We're completely transforming the look of my 2025 Mustang GT. Last video was the exhaust video, if y'all remember that, but since then I've added long tube headers, which makes it even louder. What do we have here? We have a box from Kustom Interior, Kustom with a K. Not only that, but they're red, which is what I wanted, and we're changing the license plate that I have to red, and we're changing the social media stickers that I have also to red. In the future, if I get Brembo brakes added onto the car, I'm going to paint them red. I think that gray, red, and black is like the sickest color theme that you can get. Literally see how dirty this car is. It just rained this morning and I drove out in it. Look at how gross that is. Ugh, these stickers are too freaking big. But before I do any work, let's take a look at the interior before. This is what it looks like right now. I do not have leather seats. These are cloth, so this is gonna be a huge upgrade for me. It's gonna look better and feel better. I mean, when you sit in the car, you're interacting with the seats every single time. I'm super excited. I really didn't care when I bought the car, but as time went on, I wanted better seats, better looking seats, better feeling seats, and it looks like these should do the job. Let's take a look at what is in this box. Oh yeah. So this is this is what it looks like to be the front seat and like where you would sit, where your back goes. And I got the hex stitching with the black outlines on the sides. I think that looks better than just the red by itself, like fully red. And then we got the headrests here. I'm so excited to put this in the car. That was for the thumbnail, by the way. Before we continue on with this video, I want to give a special shout out to Kustom Interior for making this video possible. If you're looking to upgrade your interior, these custom seats are easily one of my favorite, if not my most favorite mods so far. And just like it says, they have a 100% guarantee for the fitment. It is extremely tight with a premium fit too. And honestly, my favorite part is the amount of options they have. American Muscle, pickup trucks, SUVs, daily drivers, off-road cars, electric vehicles, you name it, they probably have it. You can find these premium seat covers for under $500. Go snag yourself some goodies. Head over to custominterior.com and get some cool stuff. Back to the video.
I want to take all the power off.
Yeah.
So that's a
Should I do it like this?
metric. No, I wouldn't.
Just like this? 3. Sparked.
A few moments later.
Alright, that was not the battery. The battery's here. We didn't know that. Never seen it like that before. It's pretty hand loosenable once you do it. These clips I'm not sure about though. I hate clips, bruh. That's why I don't like them. I probably break like 75% of the clips that I work on. Okay. Did you say it just lifts up? Mm-hmm. Okay. Nice.
Nice.
That makes more sense. Should you just hand loosen it now?
Yeah, you can
Oh, you
hand
can?
loosen it. Yeah.
Okay.
And then now they may spark a little, but it's not harmful.
Okay. Just
You
lift
just
it?
lift it off and don't touch it anywhere except make sure it's not touching metal when you set it down.
Okay. So where do you want it to go? All right, that'll just sit there and there's no power. I'll just go in the car and make sure.
Correct.
All right. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Cool. So now that the battery's taken care of, we can start taking the seat off. Come on, bro. Okay. This is gonna be harder, actually. I'm gonna have to get in the car to do this. But yeah, until then I have back seats. They're just never used. Should be cool. Before I take this last one out, I'm gonna unhook all the electrical stuff. Well, the first seat is out, which sucked because we didn't know what we were doing. But now that we know what we're doing, it'll be easier. These aren't even that bad. It's just like, it's so hot and humid. But I had to do this before the heat wave comes because it's not looking great the next few days. I'm certainly not doing this when it's that hot. Front seat out, the passenger seat out. It looks so different. And there's things under the seat that I literally couldn't get to with the vacuum and stuff. So there was dirt and pennies and stuff. Apparently these are directional, so I have to find out which seat these goes onto. That just shows you how like tight of a fitment they really are and how real they look. I'm just gonna assume that airbag tag on the left means that it should be that way on these. So airbag tag on the left would be this one here. So I think this is the driver's seat. You have just gray cloth and then red leather. What a difference. It's gonna look like a completely different car. As you see, when you put this around, you have these things right here that actually go into the crack and pull tension to make it a super tight fit. And we got the bottom on, but the top is gonna be harder because yeah, it's very tight. But that's what you want, because if it's not tight, then it's not gonna look like the real deal. So, all right, now we push these through, and that gives it a really tight fit, like that. And then we'll do it to this side too. But that just shows you how tight the fitment actually is. And the headrest is the last piece. So, should be pretty easy, but it also might be kind of tight. All right. Spent like 3 minutes getting this headrest on because it's that tight, but it's on there, and there's Velcro straps under it. So I mean, can you even tell it's a seat cover? It's crazy. The little, look at how close, like you literally would not be able to tell. The leather literally is, it's so exact. My dad went to bed. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm sweating. Like I'm pretty freaking shiny, so it should be easy to tell. But this with the front lip install, with the carbon trap delete that I've done, just these nerdy mods that I've done, this is the hardest one I've done. And that's a good thing. It's annoying. It's really annoying because I'm gonna have to work on this tomorrow. I'm not done. But it's a really good thing because it just shows you how much of a tight fit these seat covers really are, and how much effort the company Kustom Interior has put into these to make them look like they are the real deal. So shout out to Kustom Interior. But man, this job is just taking a toll on me. I have not eaten or anything, so I'm gonna call it a day, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. But until then, I'm gonna get some sleep and get some food. It is currently the next morning. It's 6 a.m. I went to bed at 1 and got up at 5, so I got 4 hours of sleep. But I couldn't fall back asleep once I woke up, so here we are. I'm about to knock out the rest of the car. As you can see, just got some breakfast and an energy drink in my system, so we'll be good for a while. It's actually crazy to me how I feel so good off of 4 hours of sleep right now. And then come like 3 p.m., I'm gonna feel horrible. Now, boys and girls, it is time for the plate change. We are not rocking yellow plates with a red interior. That is just not happening. With white stickers, we're also gonna change that. So it's gonna be a gray, red, and black theme. I'm super excited, but you literally just take one of these and wait, this might be too big actually. Look at that sand. I think that's beach sand. I was just at the beach. I think that's beach sand literally coming out of the screw. That's crazy. Let's see if I can hand. Nice. And there she goes. You know, I wish I lived in a state where you don't have to have a front plate. Just like that. She's plateless. These were the first plates that I got for this car, and obviously I had silver badges. And you know, the yellow plate had its time, but time to hang up the yellow plate too. All right, we just took the stickers off the window. I didn't want to record it because I was too focused, especially when I put the new one on. But let's put some alcohol on the towel to get because I use Goo Gone, so it's oily. So we just wipe the alcohol all over the window, get it clean. Look at how fast it evaporates too. It's crazy. You can see my old, look, you can see my old stickers. I don't know if the camera's gonna pull that up, but you can literally see where the old residue was. So this is the new plate right here, and it's got the red theme, the move over, and the red stripe. It's an American flag, which is pretty dope. Looks cool. And last but not least, we got the WeatherTech floorboards. We had to do it. Now, with the custom interior seats and the black WeatherTech floorboards, it literally looks like a brand new car, like a whole different car. And just like that, the interior is done. And this horse, by the way, was silver. I changed it like a week ago to black, but it just, I mean, what more could you want? Let's take a look at the interior before. And this is what it looks like after. Shout out to Kustom Interior for completely changing the look and feel of this car.